morning, viewers. Today we have Mr. Saurav Kapoor and Mr. Gaurav Kapoor, MD, JSG Innotech. JSG Innotech is about, they are into automotive parts manufacturing, and they are doing it so well, they are able to compete with China on prices and quality. Welcome Mr. Saurav and Mr. Gaurav.
Thank you.
So could you please share the story of how JSG Innotech began its journey? What's the genesis?
We are basically a 5-decade-old organization, started in year 1967 by our late grandfather. So it was a very humble beginning, whereby we started our operations from a very small trading shop in Kashmiri Gate, which was known as Ganesh Lakshmi Automobiles at that point of time.
Okay.
And I joined this particular business in year 1991 after the sad demise of my father at the age of 15. And Gaurav joined with me at the age of 12. And he joined this business in year 1997. So we started our journey at a very early age.
Young brothers, two young kids, 15 and 12-year-old, starting in a shop in Kashmiri Gate, a 20 square feet shop, and a very, very humble start. And a tough start because of an unfortunate event. Oh my God, this is already giving me some goosebumps. And I am sure आपकी college भी disturb हुआ होगा इस
Yes,
incident से.
so it
Studies
was.
might have got impacted.
Yes, there was a larger impact on each and every domain area of life, but there was always an hunger to create something new. We were into trading business of automotive accessories at that point of time, and trading was never our cup of tea because it was more of movement of things. So we were always in a domain area of creation. We always believe in constant innovation. So we started contract manufacturing in the year 1997. And eventually we moved into structured manufacturing in year 2003. It was a lot of business dynamics which were happening because whatever we were doing at that point of time was not giving the sense of satisfaction or what we are committed for. So we started evolving our business model into a different domain area, whereby we were getting an opportunity to get those things manufactured because the resources were limited at that point of time. So we started our start with contract manufacturing. We were blessed that we were getting opportunities, and with those opportunities we were working on new innovative product categories. And one of the product category in which we ventured up into got clicked, that was body graphics, because in 2000 Qualis was launched by Toyota, and it was having a body graphic on that particular car. And we developed that particular body graphic, and at that point of time Gaurav, my younger brother, he went for an exhibition in Bangalore.
Okay.
So there he got a tremendous scope response, and that was a very, very strong beginning from that particular point of time.
In September 2001, we exhibition in Bangalore, and I was at the age of 19 at that time. And in fact, the point was that was a very great beginning for that great product, and that laid a very strong foundation for us to be in actual real manufacturing sense. Earlier to that, we were into contract manufacturing. We have already established our brand. People were searching for us.
Okay.
We've been very keen in developing lot of more products, and we were pioneer in getting lot of new accessories which were not present at that time in India.
How the Galio brand got established? Me and Gaurav were coming from Saibabad. It was a winter night, and in Daryaganj we were having kulfi below Golcha Beach cinema hall.
Okay.
And that point of time an idea clicked, and we were so high, and we shared that one day we'll make a car,
Okay.
and we'll name it as Galio LX, Galio DX.
Okay. So
Today
you
we
guys
got-
were like real passionate about automotive space and all that.
It was 11 o'clock in the midnight in the night at that point of time, and next day we got this brand registered.
Okay.
And the Galio brand got established at Golcha Cinema in Daryaganj.
Okay. Having a kulfi. Okay.
So it was a great day at that point of time, and then from there was no looking back. In 2003 we got established our first structured manufacturing facility in Narela Industrial Area.
Okay. Your own facility.
Your own facility. Before to that also we had one facility in Rohini, there was a Naharpur village. There we had our first manufacturing place in a shop. It was a 10 meter by 10 meter shop.
Okay.
There we started our first manufacturing facility, and structured manufacturing facility was in Narela in 2003.
Okay.
And from there, there was no looking back. We moved to Haridwar. In 2006, we got established our Haridwar manufacturing.
That was also a very big event for us, because getting from an unstructured market to a structured market, it was highly required that we should have a structured facility also. And Haridwar was an upcoming area at that moment. It was a tax holiday zone for 10 years, and that was the biggest advantage. We established our new company. Galio Graphics was the name. 2006, we thought now this is a very big unit. This will give us a lot of time to fill. But within a span of 2 years, we crossed all the barriers, and there was no single inch left in that factory to be covered.
How big was this facility?
It was 800 square meters, exactly double to the factory which we have in Delhi.
Okay.
Okay, and then again a hunt for a new place.
The idea popped up. Now we need a larger space and a larger, so that we can harness larger opportunities. Then eventually in 2011, SUV 500 from Mahindra was launched. That was the first Indian indigenized SUV which was being launched. So that was again a breakthrough which we got. We had 17 parts in that particular category of vehicle, and that got mega success. Whatever RFQ volumes were there, they surpassed that particular volume. And we both brothers thought that if one SUV car will come and that can give us that opportunity, and next year there are 3 more cars are coming like this, what will be the state of business? So we planned and we started searching for space, and then eventually we were able to zero down this Kundli facility, which was 11 times bigger than our Haridwar facility. We invested close to 10 crore rupees in the land, and we constructed 350,000 square foot area of manufacturing facility, which was big at that point of time for us. And real estate was at boom, and eventually if we would have invested this money in real estate, we would have got good returns also, what other people in our business domain area were doing. But we invested on business. We both were clear in our thought process that before the opportunity come, we should be ready to harness that opportunity. And then we constructed this mega facility. That was basically the strategic decision, if we can say, turning point within our journey. So this infrastructure gave us a lot of power to deal with any business opportunity which we'll get. So and eventually we got the opportunities. We had land, we have got skill, and we have got vision to work, and we keep on growing within our system.
Thank you, Saurav. You have been such a wonderful, a lot of great insights today. Thank you.